raise and breaks the whole our crush. Skrrrk, so me I say. Shut up!
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. You all know that it's that girl Nia and your fave girl Nia. So guys, I know I'm missing and I've been gone for some time, but my day back again. I show I have exam and the bag of things I'm gonna do watch them there on this stuff. But I teach myself, but anyways. So guys, I decided to want to start off that entry here. Welcome to not the first official entry. This is the first episode on my entry, okay? This is the first entry episode. So, let's get into the video. Enjoy. Where did I go back? Shut up! Sure! Yeah, thank you. I'm not listening. Anyways, alright. So, welcome back. And we're about to get into this entry. And I know I'm not going to enjoy the video. I just know I'm going to have to ask Christ. But right now, guys, that's that. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. Watch the video. I need watch time then. I love you guys. Let's go. So right now, guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna have some food I'm gonna buy. And carrot juice. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat them from morning. So I'm gonna get some to eat. And this is how the food look like right now. I'm gonna take off the vegetable because I don't want to eat a vegetable that's from outside. So the food here. Let me see. So there's the food, guys, okay? The chicken was something, I don't know. It was something I'm hungry when I eat it today.
Do I regret what I said? No.
So guys, I just don't eat the food and that wasn't it. So yeah, the food wasn't it. I just finished eating and that food wasn't it. Okay. Now my little giant. Hold up, guys. So guys, I should remember if I'm not catching up on all thing that those exams that I've been doing from recently. I don't know. Anyways, we ain't gonna talk about it, okay? So I got sit here, so that's it is so funny. I'm gonna buy it at the supermarket. Hold on, just curious. Yeah, but at the supermarket. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm not really eat what I eat. I'm gonna tell you guys. Look at it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright. So, it's really good. It's just like bam bam, but like I can't believe it. It's a bam bam sticker. Guys, make an rundown from when time I can't remember. So I was at Oberlin High School. For those who did not know, I was at Oberlin High School. I performed at Oberlin High School. So if I have any Oberlin people over here, big up on yourself. And I love the school so much. I love the hype that I got while performing. It was so good. It was so great. Big up them every time. Yeah. So I actually have a supporter. We'll go Oberlin. Yeah, and he was there and he videoed. And I got videos, clips. Big up you every time, all the time, okay? So, other from that, what else happened? Guys, nothing really gonna life. All thing I gonna life right now. So me I got school, I come back from school. Yeah, basically go, come back, do study for exam. That's what I've been doing, and that maths exam was total rubbish. And bro, I can't even stretch how much rubbish it was like, but I ain't gonna talk about that. CXC and God work it out here.
Neither would God regret what I said. I don't regret. What I said was.
Guys, I deep level can't see right now, but the light gun, guy, well, I can't see light gun over the whole Jamaica. Jesus Christ. Why light it up like on a Friday evening? The whole Jamaica water light? GPS, what is going on? Like, what is going on? Not even a Melissa this time. Really? Oh, it just come bed, guys, because before under 12 right now, I can't even turn on the flash phone to see me or nothing. Channel, guys.
One of them people want to lift up on my rifle, dog. How them people are rampant, brother?
So, guys, I just done call GPS and the things them say them will get back to me. And them give me a report number for follow up. So I will follow up like about 12 o'clock and see what's really what. You understand? So guys, I have something to tell you. Yeah, I have something to tell you. So guys, yesterday, which was from I gonna run down on the week. Welcome. Chit chat with them, isn't it? So yesterday morning, I was leaving. I was in a bus. Me in a bus. For go school. Cause me have exam, which is a bio exam, right? So I'm in the bus, guys. Are going. Wait, guys. So, get me a say no. I'm in the bus. Hold on, yeah. I'm in the bus and me I watch some past papers. I'm just hear skrrrk. So me I say. I think I want next car. I swear I think I want next car do it. And then when I look up, I realize say the bus can't stop when me in a. The bus now no brakes, guys. Like the bus literally now no brakes. The man I go across the whole stretch with the car them, and the car nearly look up in about three different car, you know. The bus now look up in a three different car, you know, guys. Three different car bus now look up in. And if the man never jack on the handbrakes, the whole will crash. If him never drop on and you see before this car, it possible stop me and want to fly out of the seat and come out of the bus. Because what you mean by, but say that's why I'm glad I'm praying now. That's why I'm glad I'm pray every morning, because who could it be but God? Nobody but God. That's why I want to pray in the early morning and always give God thanks, because certain actually want to even understand. More the things me go through, nobody can tell me say God not real. You understand? So guys, I'm just glad to say I can dare so right now. So make a video and tell you say me nearly crash, I'm never crash because I was God. Right? Yeah guys, and after that I was me never really frightened or nothing, you understand? Because you know I'm not really panicky like that. You know? I'm just come out and go take a next bus and go about my day, to be honest, guys. And guys, bus fare raise.
I didn't hear that.
What? What? What you mean by me have to pay 150 for go school? What you mean by me have to pay 150 for go school? What you mean by bus fare raise? What do you mean by bus fare raise right now? It's gonna be JUTC because I don't have it. It's going to be JUTC because military don't have it. I don't have it. Where am I forget it from? You know how much trip 150 can carry me on a JUTC? JUTC can tell some face, guys. Hello? What do you mean? But get ready with me to take a JUTC.
I'm here to tell you right now.
Because this can't be real. The fare is like $50 more, guys. Like adults have to pay $200 and we have to pay, schoolers have to pay $150. And me here say, fare I got raise again. July. Excuse me? Like, excuse me? What you mean by fear of a raise again July after I raise the fear? I went like 2 weeks before July. Talk to me now, like, talk to me now. What? Guys, like, it's ridiculous. It's so, everything just ridiculous. Like go away. Me hear say ship out, that's how I make nice. Me hear say JDF headquarters burn out, burn down. What the hell? Why is rain a fall right now? Sun a shine. Why no? Why so much things happen? I don't understand. Like, no sir. Anyways, guys, that biopaper one was food. Like guys, I tell you, I'm done paper in 15 minutes. 15 minutes done a paper, and I'm so like, I look how many everybody want to pick up at the subject. I'm picked up back, But clack that. See, I really not sure no about a maths exam though. I just hope I pass. Like God, I just hope I pass that maths exam. Like, if I don't, then I just have to go again. But yeah, I just hope I pass that maths exam then. I just have kind of doubt, that. Yeah, I think that's that and what else. I don't know if probably chemistry look up for me. I don't know. Probably physics. Paper one was food. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put them here and then come back. I can't believe them 1 week later. Actually, they have exam back to back. I have exam Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm there for go school Thursday for check out some digital something. Well, then I go see about that Monday. I think more and close to that vlog before Monday. I make a new vlog Monday because more and get another vlog them back to the back to the back to the back to the back. You understand me? But yeah, guys, like, yeah. Talk to me now, Jimmy. Oh, I didn't clean my room. I never really done. I never really nothing. Two me a job, but I did done cleans up and the things. Damn. Yeah, guys. As I said, the quality kind of shit. Me I see for better camera. Like, I need to get a better quality. I just hope somebody can just buy me a camera. Really, actually, but you gotta do things yourself now, okay, girl? Yeah. And guys, whenever I do not for my birthday, I may have chat for 6 minutes. Oh, that's crazy. But whenever I do not for my birthday, because I have exam, but I'll probably go somewhere in the summer and things them. But yeah. May I catch you back? Can't chat too much right now. May I pull my ear and catch you back whenever. Maybe I catch you back after I don't pull my ear, or when I cook some. I'm hungry. I still cook some to eat. So yeah. Guys, oh my god, like the whole place at tear down shot. The whole place at tear down. Anyways, guys, this is where I reach my meal prep. So guys, this is chicken, this is cheese, pepper, garlic, this is scallion, but the cheese I'm gonna grater, going it and onion and pepper. Yeah, let's go. Guys, so I'm gonna tackle me right now. Let's mash this up and yeah. I don't know if I get back to it until probably when I come back and I try conserve my battery. I probably do a night vlog without light or some shit. So guys, we went to the end of the video. As you guys can see, I'm gonna get back my light. Yay! Anyways, so before I end this video, just make sure you all subscribe, like, and share and comment what you all think about this video, what could be done better in this video, and what kind of content would you all like to see from me. Okay, so remember, this is entry number 1. Yeah, and stay tuned for entry number 2. So I'll leave you out with this quote: everything counts and everything is a success once you do it day in and day out. So do it consistently and then you'll get results. That's what it means. Yes, guys, so love y'all and God be with y'all for the week and onward. Love y'all. Bye.